It's my third day session with Miss Leia V Skincare Laser Hair Clinic. Ayan, nag-snowstorm. So, Brazilian laser hair removal ko today. Third session ko na. Walang snow sa akin. Kailangan malinis ang pempem natin. Let's go! At Miss Leia V. Oh my God, super snowstorm. Pero busy pa rin dito kay Miss Leia V Skincare.
It's gonna be your eyes and flat. Okay. And then close your eyes. Perfect. Okay. Do the smooth eye treatment first or Brazilian? Ready?
Ready? Highly recommended ko nga ang Brazilian laser hair removal. For my third session, napansin ko na halos wala na talagang tumutubo. Makinis na siya. Hindi nyo na kailangan magahit. At the same time, napaka-hygienic po niya. Ayan mga moms, natapos ng ating Brazilian laser hair removal. Ang second treatment natin ay ang aking smooth eye treatment. So magbibis muna ako.
There, then yeah. Perfect, all done.
Yan, third session, guys. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dito is yung smooth eye treatment. Ayan, excited na naman ako. Thanks, Sis Kayla.